With affiliate marketing. In these videos, you're going to discover the proven tactics to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. Now, affiliate marketing, it's great for beginners. You know, when you get started with affiliate marketing or internet marketing in general, there's so many things to learn, and beginners, they really can get overwhelmed by all the different various business models, tools, and courses that they can learn from. Now, affiliate marketing is great for beginners because it cuts down on the learning curve quite a bit. Instead of having to learn everything about online marketing, okay, you can just simply chop off most of the other parts of internet marketing, like product creation, and all you really have to worry about is the marketing portion. You know, you don't have to create your own products. This is going to really shorten your learning curve, okay? And when you get started, you can get started without a website, but and in these videos, I'm going to show you, I really do recommend that you do have a website. But you can get started, and for a lot of people, you know, that's a big plus because so many affiliate marketers, they want to get started, but they don't have a lot of money. So if you're tapped out, if you just don't have a lot of money, you can get started by doing a couple of promotions really without having to have any money. And you're not going to need to know the ins and outs of domain registration and hosting and things like that. Now, you don't need to learn about product creation skills either. That is a huge deal. You don't need to create the product. The hassle of product development and the delivery to the customer, that lays on the merchant. You're just the affiliate. You're just going to be marketing other people's products. And the customer service issues, those also belong to someone else. You don't have to worry about that. Now, you are going to have to learn a couple of things. You're going to have to learn a little bit about niche research and SEO. And SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay? You're going to also want to learn to do some simple tasks. You're going to want to learn how to do some product reviews, how to review a product as an affiliate. And like I said, you're not going to need a website. You can use some different free platforms that are out there. But the one thing that I really do want to stress is that affiliate marketing is great for beginners because you don't have to learn everything. Like, you can just get started with these videos here, get a very basic understanding of affiliate marketing, and hopefully get out there on your own. And the thing about affiliate marketing is there is so much help available out there on the internet. So if you do get stuck somewhere, there are different various affiliate marketing blogs and forums that you can go and you can seek out advice. So I will see you in the next video.